Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your BLACKVIEW A70. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here begin the search for an app. Write Google Classroom and hit the search button. Now select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we can open our app. From here, click Get Started and pick the account you want to use or add another one. So I'm going with this one. Click OK. Here, click on this plus button, and in order to join the class, click on Join Class. Enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after entering this code, you can press on Join, and that way you'll be joined with a class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.